ungibone ngidate no guy oshadile or no guy on a girlfriend yakhe or no guy on a someone in his life like no guy on a girlfriend or no muntu nje okhona uphinde ungibulale guys ningishayeni nisho ukuthi la intombi wena awufuni unisho ukuthi la intombi wena awufuni ukufunda wena awufuni nje. So hi guys, I'm sorry about this. I'm sorry guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, this is your girl Ntombi guys, say a storyteller. Okay, so welcome to episode 3. Stop subscribe if awukakabhekele lezinye usele. If awukakang-subscribe usele umeleni. So guys, I post istory mina engigoa through izinto mina engigoa through zona. Ayizomunye umuntu ngitshela mina ezami izinto mina engigoa through zona. Understand? Guys, ilife yakho man ifanele ithi kuba yabona mawuthi maybe uya kuma pijama party ntontoni mawuthi sitshela isitori sakho ube nestory osilethayo. Hayi ukuthi wena every time uhlezi ulalele thina sikuxoxela indaba. Understand? No, iba nestory. Life yakho fanele ibe mnandi guys. Life yakho fanele ibe nedrama. Fanele ibe nedrama life yakho. Okay, sharp singibekele story. Cool. Bengise sonto ngamol. Mangise sonto ngamol. So guys, nazi ukuthi like ama taxi drivers awavumeli ama Bolt like inside ama mall. Phakathi kwama mall like abafuni ukuwabona. So leya imall egcwele like ama taxi drivers like kunama taxi egcwele wena. So okay, sharp ngiyabolta to ending because of bebangizuma closer. Okay, mangbolta. So uguy uyangifonela uthi hi. Ngicela ungimele kuphi because of ngifuna ukungena ngiphume because of laba ama taxi drivers. I was like, "Eish, but ngisacela ungimele vele because of ngisase la iphep and kune line." So ngicela ungimela ngene noma unga 80 mali, it's fine. It's cool, you understand? Hi, okay, sharp. Zathi 15 minutes ngisase phep. Afone futhi sisi ngijahile mina. Mina ngiyasebenza wena ubhizi lapho ukwenzakalani cancel ride yakho. I was like ngiyacela but ngicela ungimele ngiyacela. Okay, sharp ngiyenze lento bengiyenza ephephu ngithatha ama plastic kwami and then ngiphume ngikuBolt. Sharp. So mangiphuma ngifake like izinto ebuthini and then ngingene phambili. So mangena phambili kusho ukuthi kunenye taxi driver besibhekile ukuthi like kwenzakalani. I ezele taxi driver like athi sanibonani. I was like yebo njani. Athi ngiyaphila ngithi baby, I think ikhohle plastic like ephepha. Yabona eksena mi ngimdefend uguy, understand? Like ngimele ngi-understand the situation. Yabona mina when it comes to acting ngicela ningifakeni. Ngicela ngi-black and cause yeah, I can act. Ngibonile ukuthi hayi taxi driver leya attack ubhuti wabantu akasemuhle ubhuti wabantu for attack like wathi singimprotect akumadoda kuphi emotweni eBoltini. Okay, hayi ngithi baby, I think khohle plastic lam ephepha, I'm coming. Okay, sharp lo put lona akhulume naye yabona vele like ngathi siya date, you understand? Ahambe and then after singene ephepha mangene ephepha I think ngithenga ama pads or something, I don't remember. Okay, ngiphume ne plastic and then ngifake emotweni athi le put like ngiyabonga. Yo, uhlakaniphile uyi life saver yami, understand? Okay, sharp siloko sicoca vele but yabona siclick. Kubonakala ukuthi like you understand that it's type yami, you understand? Siclick ngihleke vele yabona kube sharp vele like ayekho mdala unabo 31, 30 lapho around lezo lawo ma age group lena. Today angazi ukuthi unangaka uguy. Okay, sharp. Why kube mnandi vele okay ngifike kithi fine i-destination ngifike sekithi. Okay, sharp. Athi umuntu sharp like ngingathanda uyacoca, uyachaza vele. Ngingathanda ukuhlangana nawe some other day sidle lunch or dinner. Understand is danger. I was like, okay, sharp. Angimind nami umuntu obubbly, understand? He's smart. Ngiyathanda ukukhuluma nomuntu osmart man, understand? Mangibuzwa question ayiphendula like smart hayi ukuthi like ukuba smart like educationally, knowledgeically, as izinto, understand? Okay, cool. And then after it, ngifaka ama number wami efonini yakhe, angafoni that day. I think kuphela week angafonanga. Okay, sharp ngakhohlwa ngaye, but like nginalento ukuthi like akafoni, akatext, like kube mina ngithatha ama number wakhe kube kudala ngamtext. Yabona izinto ezinjalo ukuthi like ulinde like i-call yomuntu ube like ithi ngihambe ngemall ngiyobolta futhi ithi ngimbheka kuBolt like izinto ezinjalo, understand? Okay, sharp ngithi yazini ayithi ngikhohle ngaye maybe akekho interested kimi izinto ezinjalo, understand? Mara mina ngi-in love nje ngelangelo. One thing about me, I'm a lover guys. Ngiyathanda, ngiyi-love, I believe in love, ngiyathanda. So bese ngizibonele nje soulmate ukuthi kanjani ukuthi ngihana ang-understand nami. Okay, sharp. Okay, maliphela iviki ayingeke kuma-practical vele ayangifonele vele kuseni athi Sawubona mama, ngiyathemba uyaphila. So I'm sorry for taking so long ukuthi ngikutext. I was so busy, busy vele. So can I please save your numbers and then sikhulume ku WhatsApp? I was like, cool. Ngithi lelo langa bengismile langa lonke umntana makangiceba mabakasa abantwana bengibayekela like in the way I was so excited ngakhona. Like guys, mara umuntu mo connecta naye uyafila umuntu like angazi ngayichaza kanjani. Okay shabu, hayi kube honeymoon face yethu, neyazi honeymoon face yenza ngathi nizoshada. Kube mnandi vela letha ama flowers emsebenzini esikolweni. Okay, abantwana besikolo bameme bayasiyazi abantwana besikolo bayaphapha bamemeze like kube njalo and angise ku lunch kube mnandi to the point ukuthi yazini ngikhohla but ukuthi mina ngiyadate okwenzakala ngikhohla nakumbuza naye ukuthi are you in a relationship okwenzakalani and sense njalo. Hayi kube mnandi vela. Hayi akuboshana nesikhathi. Sengimvakashela ku apartment yakhe. Okay cool. Fine, you understand? Kube izinto ezinjalo. Sibe i-couple vele. At decide ukuthi yazini. Izinto zethu zizohamba manje. Like zizohamba sizoba like a couple, you understand? Okay, sharp. Ngimtshela ukuthi like can I please ngicela open up kuwe before siqala like le relationship ibasakasa ngifuna ukubuilda like a relationship ngamanga. Making sense like ngibe honest. Ngimtshela ukuthi like ngine boyfriend but like asikho like that close anymore, you understand? And he was like, okay sharp. Nami ngicela ukuba honest nawe nginomntwana nginomuntu engihlala naye mara basekhaya. Umntwana. Okay, mind, but like baby mama drama. It's not like ex yakho, you guys are still dating, you understand? Ukuthi ungilethelani. We understand nama ukuthi ungilethelani. Okay sharp, ngingamind about that. Angitshela vele like manginawe angeke ubone ngikufile ngathi nginomuntu. Ngizokuchitha the way ngikuchithe ngakhona with the past few weeks. Like you won't see angeke uyifile leyo nto leyo feeling leyo, understand? I was like okay yini enye ngidinga kuyazi athi ngiyakucela ntombi, you don't call mina mangakufonelanga uma ngakutshela ukuthi uma ngakutexta ungangithi ngiyakucela. And if kwenze ukuthi ngiyakhohlwa ukudelete ama chats ngicela uphike uthi awungazi. Ngiyakucela ntombi, yabona ngiyakuthanda and ngiyakucela ngiyapromise ngizokuprotecta, ngizokuthanda angeke ufeel ngathi, understand? Like kokuqala bengayi understand leyo nto leyo ne, but like engi feeling yami ukuthi I don't want to lose this guy. Ungiphatha kahle like ngifeel nice manginaye, ngifeel safe. Yabo, you understand? Ngifeel safe manginaye. So ungicabangisa kaningi manje, ungicabangisa kaningi. I was like okay cool sharp. Asibona ukuthi sizophelela because like no angeke sophelela emshadweni mina nawe. Sophelela emshadweni akho right ekhaya manje endlini. Kusho ukuthi yena no baby mama azikho right izinto. So mina ngi-rebound, you understand? Ngi-rebound. Ungitshela kanjalo. Mara bengayi understand ngalesa sikhathi beng in love. Bengitshela believe everything ayishoyo. Believe everything ayishoyo lo guy lo. Hayi cool ukuhamba isikhathi ngoba mnandi vele. Angijwayeza ukuthi like ngama after school uyangilanda, ekseni uyangibholthela, ungithengele lunch, ngama Fridays I get flowers in you understand? Should lento engiyitholayo nogeli uyayithola bamenzela. Maka yenzela ngale nami uyangenzela because of why? Ngilingilanga ukile wangisendela ama flowers abhalwe Nthabiseni. Wasendela Nthabiseni ama flowers abhalwe ukuthi Ntombi. So Saturday ngithi ngithola ama flower every Friday. Saturday weza sintombi shit ngenza mistake. Maybe you saw ukuthi like lama flowers owatholile abhalwe Nthabiseni so pay ama flowers and my wife is mad now because of why ngibhalwe Ntombi kayise. And then I had to lie ukuthi no la kuma flowers babhalwe Ntombi kayise shoot taxi delivery yami lawo but ngithathile angibonanga nami, understand? And angeke ngiwabuyisele emuva, understand? Kube red flag yokuqala le ukuthi why mina mangithola igift no girl fanele ayithole. Why kuba njalo, understand? Why kuba njalo? Hayi cash cool ngiyimayize leyo nto le ngibe in love. Guys ngizibona ukuthi yabona manje ngiyafola ngiyangena kanje and kuyangithusa because mina mangifola akupheli kamnandi. Mangifola akupheli kamnandi. Hayi okay sharp. Hayi ihambe vele le ship yethu, relationship yethu ihambe. Kuthi this other week ekseni ukaya kangitextanga. Ngimeli Bolt mina ukuthi izongisa esikolweni. Akuna Bolt, akuna text, akuna message, akuna nix. Okay sharp ngihambe nginyawo. Ngingayimind le. Cool. ngibone la ukuthi yabona ke man like bengifone to the point ukuthi maka ngifonelanga understand man ngathi ngiyalunywa ngiyahlanya ngimdinga ngifuna ngene phakathi kwami sengifuna abe ngowami okusihlale soyithi apartment yakhe I don't mind angahamba oh guys no it's at rest ngicela ngimind ne angimind ukuthi angahamba ayohlala nomfazi wakhe mina ngihlala ku-apartment yakhe as long like ngiclose to something eyakhe ngiclose to something eyakhe you understand okay sharp anga-communicate after school angangilandi zithi Tuesday same thing Wednesday Thursday Friday no flowers no nothing kundlula iviki angakangikhulumisi ngithi uyangihlanyela lo so ngimfonela nge-private and then why pick up phone I was like hayibo kwenzakalani why ngingifone akwati athi ngitheni kuwe why kanti ungalaleli ngithe mangafona ungafona ngithi so wangalaleli if benginomfazi wami bekuzothi 1 if benginomfazi wami bekuzothi 1 ufuna ngilahlekele umntanami ngento engekho hey ufuna ngilahlekele umntanami ngento engekho uthini manje ungitshela nomfana lo hey ungitshela lo yabona manje ufuna ngikhiphe lo muntu omkhoza akaze abone lo muntu ombi ubona le ugelo sweet akangazi hey I drop phone okay sharp ngithi okay ngizoba calm about the situation there okay sharp zithi Tuesday ngingafone ngithi ngiyacabanga like ukumtracker or something man ukwenza something like ngiyamdinga lo guy lo sengiyahlanya sengathi amapilisi wami sengathi ngiphuzanga sengathi ngiphuzanga amapilisi wami phela like ayeke ungifolise and then after that ungilaqaze ne ungilahle kanjalo ungitshela ukuthi you can okay cool ngifone futhi manje ngifuna ngamanamba wami angayiphendula I decline understand I think ngifuna ngi-voice call uyabona umuntu maka decline call I decline sharp yazi ngikhale bengiso depressed to the point ukuthi noma mama uzangibuza ukuthi like ntombi kwenzakalani I told her everything ngathi uyangijaja akangijaji ngiyamtshela and then he was like girl phuma uy I was like oh understanding no wonder bengafuna ukutshela understanding ngiphume kanjani girl ngithi ungadvise on ukuthi phuma mina awusangicela ukuthi hamba nathi ngikuncedise asambe semfuna lo mfana omposte ku TikTok ubambone like ungitshela ukuthi phuma kunoma ungathunja abazali banjani nawe hayi baye okay sharp as a Thursday as a kid one thing i-red flag yokusi2 akangifonelanga uvele wazingenela kithi disrespect engaka ngena kanjani khabantombazana ongayilobulanga wakokota luckily mama bekungana abazali bami besemsebenzini benyi1 wakokota sengimangele mina ukuthi like ufunani okay mangivula he was so mad to the point ukuthi lo angangishayela khona la athi ngicela ukukhuluma nawe okay sahamba sayemotweni yakhe wa driver sayemall masiye mall hayi nangumuntu ngiyambona like ukwatile like he's so mad athi kimi ntombi ngithena about the situation there angizange akutshela ukuthi ungafoni ngingafonanga ulalela kanjani uzwa kanjani ufuna ukungicaba like nami sengifila guilty ungenza ngathi ngifile guilty kule situation leyo you understand udlala amakhadi wakhe to the point ukuthi ungenza ngifile guilty kanjani kuwo wrong awungaxolisa ukuthi like I'm sorry ukunyamalala 2 weeks yonke ini kwenzakalani why ungenza ngifile guilty he was like ntombi ngikukhuza kokugcina angifuni le situation yenzeke again or else ngizophuma kuwe and ngeke uzobelieve I was like yo I don't want to lose this guy I don't want to lose this guy so ngizoyekela like ukufaka amazipho wami kakhulu I was like I'm sorry bengikhumbule to the point ukuthi bengasakhona and then he was like oh I understand baby and I'm sorry in what do you want I was like ngicela ungithengele isneaker for ukuthi uyapologize kunesinye isneaker engisigcokayo uyongithengele sona we went to a mall that day he bought me a sneaker ngacola ngathi angakazi wanyamalala okay sharp wabuya guys makabuya uyabuya and then makanyamalala uyanyamalala for good sharp kwaba mnandi ku relationship kwaba mnandi okay ingathi beka kwakhe nabantwana bakhe nomfazi wakhe sengizwa nge-phone call hello khuluma ugele wena Sifebe hey ini indoda yami ufuna ini amanambeni wakho hey thanks for ini hey kwenzakalani hey wena ntombazana uhlala ubani kamala understand shoot ubani wife and uthena uguy uphike yonke into makafonela mina ngikhohliwa ngayo yonke into ngithi lalela la sis mina inkinga one thing about mina ne angifuni ukujwayelwa intombazana ungangijwayeli yabona intombazana ingangijwayeli kabi ngithi lalela indoda yakho eshele mina akusime ngishele yona and nale sneakers thengile ngiyasithanda mina le sneakers thengile ngiyasithanda mina so utshela indoda yakhe kuyekela ukuza la nawe ungihlasa ngumntwana omncane unangakhi mongaka gogo umntwana wakho athini yekela ukuzihlasa ngami ngi2K mina understand he ngathi ngamhlangisa wese ngaqhapha ifone mangiceda shothi uguy bekakhona wefake loudspeaker because imizwa athi shit understand hey lalela ngithi bukuyisande ngikhumbula kahle ekseni bekuyisande ngiyesontweni wangifonela athi ngila ngaphandle phuma I was like kuyanyiwa ke manje K-sharp ngangena emotweni wadriver sa ku apartment yakhe masifika ku apartment yakhe akusukungihlaba ngempama ngisangena akusukungihlaba guys niyabona nani ukuthi bengingasekho ku TikTok I was going through a lot angazi mina ngashaya umfana ubani yena azongishaya ngempama ngisho ne boyfriend amakazi ngisho ubani wangihla hey wangingomba umfana wangishaya ngempama wathi ngitheni kuwe ntombi ngitheni kuwe I was like bengisamangela ukuthi like mina ngishaya umfana mina lona like I was in denial ukuthi mina like bengabelieve ningembeza ziphumanga because of I was like this is not me guys mina ngishaya umfana ngaze ngayithola le bangithethisa bangenza slim bangithitha makale ukuthi ungishaye ngempama ungishaye angazi ngayi experience mina leyo sekhaya ngazi wangihaya ngempama yezwa ngabona ukuthi abafana mina ngibathanda abafana ngibafuni life yami wathetha yabona manje ungixoshile mfazi wami manje ungixoshile angeke ngisakhona mina ukubona umntana uyazi ukuthi umntana wami uncane kanjani uyazi ukuthi igugula wami umntana wami like wenza ngathi fault yami I was like it's not my fault athi futhi tag uyangiphendula nokungiphendula ungilethele next wena ntombi angilethele next life yami angilethele next ufuna ngilahla kole like yabona now I was crying because of amagama bekawakhuluma bewabhlungu akekho umfana ozokufuna wena bonke bayahlezi badlala ngawe bonke awusi wife material awusinto yokushada like namagama ahleli to the point ukuthi even today ahleli umfana mangengihetha like ngikhumbula lawo magama vele ukuthi akekho umfana vele ongafuna ukuba in a relationship nami like ngiyakhumbula ahleli lamagama cha ukuthi ubani wena into okusetshenziswa wena phela masifuna ngathi sibhokekile emshadweni ethu size la kuwe phela yabona manje umfazi wami mama impela ngafu guys yabona break down to the point ukuthi athi ngiyabholthela manje because ngibangela umsindo base ngiyakushaya manje mina ngiyakabuse and mina ngishaya mantombazana bheka kunye wangibholthela umfana wangiqosha angishayila angithukile ngihamba ngayikithi I was like no more I hate abafana angizondi yena ngizonda like abafana bonke ngahamba ngaya kithi Sunday mangifika kithi abazali bahambile bayasontweni uzohlala i1 ngakhala baze babuye ngo8 my mom was like kwenzakale intombi ukwenzeni mfana I was like akangizanga next just uhluyene nami angimtshela umama ukuthi hayi ungishayile phela angimtshela ngithi uhlukana athi great idea le uhlukana nawe right miyeke ahamba kuso wakho vele ungaforce izinto akuso wakho K-sharp uzathi Monday ngayesikolweni vele like ngamblocker everywhere everywhere ngamblocker and then that day ngiyakhumbula it was my last day of practical wami after school Friday weza ngama-bloom esikolweni, ngama-flowers. Did I not smile? Did I not smile? Why? What? Like, I hate ngiyalzonda uthando. After akungitshela lamagama angitshele wona, after ungithuka, after ungishaya, mara ngisasmilela nama-flowers a-cheap less than 300. Ngisawasmilela. Ngamhaka, ngathatha ama-flower, ngangena emotweni, wangikhipha wakulunch, wacolisa, uyayibona ukuthi fake le apology sebalungisile vele nogele. Sebalungisile phela seba right, so uyabuyela ku ufuna happiness yobusi-2. Ufuna happiness yobusi-2 mfana. Wabuyela, sadla lunch, sahamba se-apartment yakhe, sahlala iviki lonke. Sahlala iviki, bangifonele ekhaya ngicima ifoni mina, ngitext umama ukuthi hey girl mina ngendodeni. Hayi angibekanga kanjalo mara hayi guys nani ngizomthatha kanjani. Ngimtshela ukuthi hayi ngekumuntu wami. Ngekugayi. Uthe makafona ngavela ngayicima ifoni ngabona ukuthi ufuna ukungijaja lo. Ufuna ukungithethisa ikhe yakhe. Ufuna ukungithethisa lo. Ngacima ifoni iviki lonke. Sahlala ku-apartment yakhe kwaba mnandi, kwaba lovely. Kwaba mnandi. Lalela ukuthi what happened after that, kumnandi, ku-lovely. Ngivuka phezu kwakhe every day, sifubeni sakhe every day. Ngibuza ukuthi what happened. Ngibuza ukuthi what happened. Akusugela angena ku-apartment. Akusugela guys, ngiyacela yabona manje ngiyangicwayisa. Ngiyabona manje ngabona i-video etrendayo yami. Ngicela ningabi surprise ngoba nginitshelile. Ngicela ningamangali because ngitshela nabona i-video yami inkosi yami nomuntu ngitrenda. Ngicela ningamangali. Ngicela ningangitrendisi kakhulu ngiyangicela. Nivele nithi ayi siyasazi le story. Ngiyangicela cause why? Ngithi wangibhacabula ugeli, yes. Yabona mina guys, one thing about me ngimkhulu la, maka la angikho ke sana. Ngithi la angikho, maka la ngimnandi. Lalela what happened. Usithole ekseni, shuthi nesikhiya sale apartment leya. Usithole ekseni, bena bekahambe bekuyi-get away leya phela. Bekangekho endlini. Bese ku-get away. So shukuthi utshela ugela ukuthi angazi uye ku-business meeting or kuyapi, maka like ugela usitholile. Uhlanganise 1 + 1 is 2 wathi hayi ngimbheka ku-apartment yami. Wavula ugela, makavula usithola kahle ekseni saqeda ukuvuka sharp. Wangena. Makangena kusukuthatha umshangelo, ngithi into siyenze yona. Ugayi wabona ukuthi ku-right ukuthi agijime aphuma ngishiyeni. Nomfazi okhohlanyayo yabona abafana. After God, fear lezi zinto zingabafana. Fear abafana. Ngithi why agijimile ngathathi mina so ethu sigijime. Ngithi ugeli wakhiya. Apartment encane phela. Apartment encane kune bathroom, kune kitchen, kune toilet. Uzogijima uyephi? Uzobaleka uyephi? Uzobaleka uyephi ntshele? Ukhile uzilahlela phansi. Uzonge faster. Uyowela phansi lo uyoshona mos. Ngathi ampana ngihayi. Hayi wangiyenzani ugeli? Ugeli wangishaya wazi wangenza ivideo. Athi mboneni? Yes. Busy nendoda yami apartment yakhe. Umntana omncane. Umntana omncane ubusy. Akangaze ngithiwa akazi ukuthi like ngina ngakhe. Umntana esikolo. Ubusy. Ulomuntu uyazi ukuthi umuntu uthethana nomntwana. Uyazi ukuthi umuntu uthethana noshadile. Uyazi ukuthi ushadile. Ngithi ugeli. Uyigciba mkhulu ugeli. Yambona ukuthi labo ntombazana sikasi washanayo. Ngiyacolisa ke mina singiyakhala. Ngiyakhala phela mina manje. Hey ngizophungana nomuntu okunyakuthembisa ngoba ukusala ungitholile. Ungithi guys nithi why mina nginyamalela. Sengiz like every day mangivuke ekseni ngiyabheka ukuthi intombi kayise trending tontoni. Ngiyabheka ukuthi angitrendi everything ngiyathanda ukuthi ngiyakucela Nkosi ngiyakucela. Ngicela lapho ngagcina ukuthi yazini ngicinile ukudate nomuntu because at the end of the day yimi engaffectekayo. Abekho happy manje? Abekho happy? ngathi kuzange wenzekela next, ngathi kuzange nje kwayenzakala because ngibonile ugirl postile like ugirl sekayavela kuma FYP yami uyavela ba happy. Mama uvile on cheating is normal kuma relationship or kuma marriage ba happy. Mara mina ihlelanga nami lento angikho hey guys please ngakhohlwa ukusubscribe nengikhanzana. Ciao.